In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get domain privacy for free on Namecheap, step by step. This is a super useful setting if you want to keep your personal information protected and reduce the amount of public data attached to your domain. If you're registering a new eligible domain, Namecheap often includes privacy at no extra cost, and I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to activate it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can manage all of your domains in one place. If you own multiple domains, this is the fastest way to find the one you want to protect. Next, go to Domain List. This section shows every domain connected to your account, along with their current status and available management options. Find the domain you want to add privacy to, then click Manage next to that specific domain. This will open the settings page for that specific domain. Now look for the Domain Privacy section. On Namecheap, this is usually labeled as Withheld for privacy, or something very similar. This is the setting that hides your contact details from public WHOIS records, which helps keep your name, email address, phone number, and other personal information private. If you have already purchased privacy before, you may see an option to add years instead. That simply means the privacy service is already active on your domain, and you can extend it if needed. But if you're seeing this for the first time, you should see a Buy Now or Activate option instead. Click that button to continue. After that, confirm the order. For eligible domains, you should not be charged anything for domain privacy. This is the important part, because if your domain qualifies, Namecheap will allow you to activate privacy without adding a payment charge. Just review the confirmation screen carefully before finalizing it. Once you've completed the order, go back and verify the status. Make sure domain privacy shows as active. That confirmation tells you the protection has been applied successfully and your domain information is no longer publicly exposed in the same way. And that's it. You've now learned how to get domain privacy for free on Namecheap. It only takes a few minutes, but it makes a big difference for protecting your personal information online. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.